Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can add a home grid forecast widget to the lock screen on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then in here, tap on Wallpaper. Next, tap on the Customize left image, so tap on the image there. Then at the bottom row here is your widget panel, so tap on that. From the pop-up add widget list, scroll down and then tap on home. Now in here, the first widget will be a grid forecast, so you can either tap on this widget or you can drag it. So you can tap it or drag it to your widget panel and let go. Then tap on the close button. Now if there is anything or any features to this widget, you can tap on it to allow you to select a location. So you can choose here current location, or you can set a different location. And then tap on the close button here to close your widget selection. And that's it. So that is how you can add a grid forecast widget to your lock screen on the iPhone 15 series. Now don't forget to tap on the done button to save the changes. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.